Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this really easy DIY mask that you can create really cheap on your own and you don't have to spend $40 online on a rhinestone mask. I'm really happy with how it turned out and you can create any kind of design that you want. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's get started. All you're going to need is a plain mask. I got mine from Fashion Nova for $5.99. And then I got these rhinestones from Michael's for a few bucks and my trusty E6000 glue, which was around $6. But Michael's always has sales and I get a coupon on their app, so I think I got 20% off my entire purchase. So the whole project cost me around $12 and I got to make whatever pattern I want instead of just settling for what's online. The rhinestones came in 3 different sizes, really tiny, medium, and big. So I decided to make a pattern, and you can do whatever pattern you want. I just decided to do lines because you're gonna see the mask has lines on it. So first I decided it's best to lay down the rhinestones to see what kind of pattern I would like, and also just to see that I have enough rhinestones for my pattern before I start gluing them down so I don't run out. It also helps if you grab some tweezers, but they are gonna get glue all over them eventually, so make sure to grab an old pair that you don't mind messing up. I also laid down a magazine, which is gonna help you eventually with the glue, but also it helps to give some shape because I was doing this on a soft surface, and this way you have some sturdiness underneath the mask, but then you're gonna see that I'm gonna use it for the glue as well. This is a very tedious job, so you have to have a lot of patience. It took me at least an hour just to lay them out, not even counting the gluing part. And if the rhinestones were any smaller, it would have taken me even longer, so just keep that in mind. So as you can see, I did a line pattern, switching up the big ones and the small ones, and you can do any pattern you like. And see, there are 3 sections to my mask. It has 3 folds, so it's gonna look different when I put it on. So I ended up putting the glue on the magazine and just dipping each rhinestone in it because the glue was coming out of the tube so fast. I thought I would be able to put it on the back of the rhinestone each time just straight from the tube, but it was just seeping out too fast, so I figured it would just be easier to put it down on the magazine. And you just keep doing this because it dries really fast. By the way, I made the mistake of getting a white glue. I always get a clear E6000, but to make the same mistake that I did. It's not a big deal, but I prefer clear. So this is what the mask ended up looking like, and as you can see I still have leftover rhinestones. So then I tried it on, and because it has the 3 folds in it, you get to see the black in between each of the sections, which if you want to have that look, that's fine, but I wanted to add a few more rhinestones in there to have a more bedazzled mask. So after I added a few more lines of the rhinestones, the whole mask was bedazzled now. I was so happy with it, and you can see the final result of me wearing it. I'm super happy, and it's something that I created myself. I love DIY projects, so I'm really excited to wear it, and it's cheaper than online. And also, if any designs are sold out, you can create whatever designs you want on your own time for much cheaper. I also have these other DIYs that I did, like this bedazzled mirror, which is so much cheaper than the ones online, and this poofy chair for my vanity. So as you can see, I love doing these projects. So if you have any other ideas you want me to do, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.